guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on iPhone 15 Pro. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so you have to do it by the auto buy. In the first step, open the web browser and open the google.com site. Now click on the three dot icon and choose the request desktop site. Then tap on the camera icon and choose upload the file. Select source of the document or the picture, like something from the gallery for example, and just pick the picture that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now tap on the done and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, give us a like or a comment, and goodbye.